fly to this flower. Here, butterfly, fly to home. Come here, little butterfly. I got you a nice flower.
Put close to her. More closer. Closer.
Let's put it. How, Mommy? How about you put it right here? Then she'll
It won't do anything to you, sweetie.
put it closer. Really scared.
Look, there she goes. Look, 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 look. Look. Say bye to her.
Bye.
Look how pretty her colors, Lexi.
Hand this flower to her. Hand it.
She's ready to go.
The